In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable accent marks and special characters on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu in the bottom corner and then go up and select settings. And then you want to select on the left panel where it says device. And now on the right side underneath device, you want to select keyboard and inputs. And there should be something underneath repeat keys and accent marks. It says show accent marks and special characters. You can go ahead and enable that by clicking inside the oval to toggle that on. Or conversely, you can disable it by toggling it to the left, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.